Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to upload work document in Instawork. To upload work document in Instawork app, begin by logging into your account, then navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon, then select settings, which is your gear icon. Then from there, choose your payment settings. So here you can add or update your bank details by entering the necessary information and saving the changes. So for uploading other documents like certification or identification, go to the certificate section within the profile, tap on the specific certificate type you wish to upload, such as a full handler card or a TIP certification, and also follow the prompt to upload a clear photos or document. Ensure that the uploaded documents are legible and meet the required criteria. Then for W2 shift, you may need to complete additional paperwork, including the form, which is 19. The process involves uploading photos of original government issued ID and having a authorized representative verify this document in person. So this representative must be at least 18 years old, have a smartphone with internet access, and be present with you during the certification process. So this will receive a link via test or complete the verification. So once all documents are uploaded and verified, you may be eligible to book W2 shift, and that's it.